past perfect tense in English. 1. She had finished her homework before she went out to play. 2. By the time the movie started, we had already found our seats. 3. They hadn't prepared for the test, so they were very nervous. 4. He had lived in France for 10 years before moving to Canada. 5. After they had eaten dinner, they went for a walk. 6. The train had left by the time we reached the station. 7. She had never seen the ocean until last summer. 8. He had forgotten his keys at home, so he couldn't open the door. 9. We had visited that museum before, so we decided to try something new. 10. Before she became a teacher, she had worked as a nurse. 11. The company had experienced significant growth before the market downturn. 12. By the time the rain started, we had already set up our tent. 13. He hadn't met her until the day of the conference. 14. She had read the book before watching the movie adaptation. 15. After the team had won the championship, they celebrated all night. 16. The artist had never sold a painting before that exhibition. 17. Once I had tried the new recipe, I knew it would be a hit. 18. They had planned to go to the beach, but it started raining. 19. She had forgotten to bring her umbrella, so she got soaked. 20. By the time I called her, she had already left the office.